Hi guys, Lena here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. So guys, I'm doing a quick makeup tutorial for you guys in this video. I already did my foundation in a different video where I was comparing two of the foundations which I used on my face, and that's the Sephora foundation and the Revlon foundation. If you want to see the video of me comparing these two foundations, please check out my comparisons video. Then you can get to see how these two foundations actually does on my skin. If you want to see how I do my birthday makeup look, and I actually want to do something very natural, if you want to see how the whole makeup thing turns out, then please keep on watching this video. Yeah, let's get right into it. So I already did my foundation, my brows. What I want to start with right now is just highlighting my face. I think I'll probably just do my eyeshadow, then I'll proceed with highlighting my face. So for my eyeshadow, the palette I'm using is ENL Beauty's the Divine Eyeshadow Palette. This is my makeup brand, guys, and I'd really like it if you support the makeup brand. Right now, today, which is my birthday, we have 50% discount sales on the website. And it's actually 40% discount, but when you now apply the coupon code ENL Beauty Queen, you get an extra 10% off your order. So in total, you actually get to enjoy 50% off all of our products which you purchase on our website, which is www.enlbeautyng.com. So please hurry right now. I just hope I'm able to upload this video today. I might have to extend the discount sale for probably like 1 day or so, but whenever you see this video, please just head over to our website and purchase our product just to support the makeup brand. I sincerely appreciate every purchase that you make, even if it's just one palette. If you can get to palettes and lipsticks, I'll really appreciate. Yeah, so guys, let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow right here, and the eyeshadow brush which I'm using is ENL Beauty's 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use this orange eyeshadow right here named Fit. I'm gonna use Fit as my transition color. I'm gonna just blend it right here very lightly. Yeah. Next, for my outer V area, I'm going to use this shadow right here named Onyeka. This brown eyeshadow, I just have to blend it right here in this area right here. Just blend. Just go back to that transition color, the orange color. It doesn't seem to be popping, so I'm going to just go over it a bit more, just to blend that orange shadow right here, since it's our transition color. So I'm going to go back to that same blue brush which I used for the brown eyeshadow and just sort of just blend, just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Just blend. This eyeshadow named Rachel, and I'm also using ENL Beauty's 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush. So I'm just going to apply Rachel on my eyelids. Yes. You can choose to make your eyeshadow brush a bit down, just to minimize the fallout and just help the eyeshadow apply more. Yeah, very easy, very easy. It's my birthday, I'm not about to be stressing myself. Like, I'd rather my natural beauty glows than just having it look like, okay, I tried too much in makeup and it's makeup that's making me look beautiful. No, we're just enhancing our look a bit. What we want is a light enhancement. Oh, let's take this egg out. Okay guys, next let's just blend above where the eyeshadow was applied, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Just blend above here. Above. So I want to go back to that same orange eyeshadow which I use as my transition color. And sort of just extend it inwards a bit. Yeah, just extend it inwards a bit. Just above where I applied that my eyeshadow area. Just extend it inwards a bit. Guys, next what I'll be doing is applying my eyeliner. I just hope I didn't forget it, because man, your girl is in a different city. I'm applying my eyeliner and I'm using Hang Fang liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to start from the bottom of my lash line right here and just draw a line. Right here. And take it down. Apply a black eyeliner to my waterline. I'm using a MacBook Extremely Soft Eyeliner Pencil. And I'm also going to tight line my upper eyelids. You want to be very careful with that. These are the lashes I want to use. Just want to check if they are not too long for my eye space. Yeah, I think it fits perfectly, so I don't need to cut anything. So I'm just gonna add my eyelash glue. I'm using classic glitter lash glue. It's very affordable and it works. It's bomb. So if you need an eyelash glue, try this classic eyelash glue. And of course, yes, I have to also promote my brand. If you need an eyeshadow palette that works and it is very beautiful, that you will not be able to resist, then please buy ENL Beauty's The Divine Eyeshadow Palette. We also have a mini eyeshadow palette, which is also amazing. So please support the makeup brand ENL Beauty. Hello. Please, lashes, be kind to me. Today's my birthday. Okay, I want to just sort of clean out the eyelash glue. It doesn't spoil my makeup for you. Eyes with lashes, eyes without lashes. Which one do you prefer? Lashes, no lashes? I don't know. So I don't know what happened, but my camera wasn't recording. Yeah, it wasn't recording. But for my powder, I used the Colourpop No Filter setting powder to set my under eye area. This powder right here, I use this to set my under eye area. I used the Black Powder Deluxe finishing powder to set the contours of my face, and I used the Zikel powder in the shade Toffee as my all over face powder. I used the Colourpop highlighter in the shade Boomin. Yes. So next, what I'm going to be doing now is just applying some lip products. I'm using ENL Beauty's liquid lipstick in the shade Moyo. I'm going to apply this all around my lips. Yeah, for my lip liner, I'm using Colourpop lip liner. I've forgotten the shade, if it's BFF3. I'm using Colourpop's BFF3. I actually don't really like this lip liner because I feel like it's not brown enough. I would have rather used ENL Beauty's coffee lip liner, but I don't know where I dropped it. It seems like I didn't even come with it. That's what it seems like. I didn't come with a coffee lip liner, so I'm stuck with BFF3. Yes, yes, yes. The look, this is the look. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. If you like how my makeup looks, let me know in the comment section. If you'd love to recreate this look, also let me know in the comment section. All of the products which I used in creating this look is going to be in the description box. So if you want to check them out, go ahead head over to the description box to look at the products which I used in creating this look. So right about now, I'm just about to just wear my shoes and go out and just explore Abuja, you know, have fun on my birthday, and you know, just see what's out there and start to decide if this is where I actually want to relocate to and just be free from the whole madness going on in Lagos. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. I love you. Bye. Yay, hair and makeup done. Purchase our limited edition makeup product from our website www.enlpcng.com.